Say hi everybody. Hello. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love on my last video. It really means the world to me, you know, all the subscriptions that all the people that subscribe to my channel, all the people that liked the video, and all the people that left messages, and all the people that, you know, just overall have been sorry, this is life with babies. So all the people that left you know, all the love in the comments, and also on Facebook and Instagram where I shared it. Thank you so much. It means so much. It means a lot. And so I'm trying to film, which I'm doing what I can, because I do want to keep consistent. And I know that, you know, sometimes during the weekend it's gonna be a little difficult to also, you know, I don't just want to disappear the only 2 days that my husband is here from work, so I don't want to just go upstairs and like disappear. So I'm trying to do this also during the week while he's at work, so that we can, you know, spend the weekend together as well. I'm also gonna be recording or trying to do something during the weekend, but if I can do it during the week, then I'm gonna try to do that. So today, as you could see by the title of the video, I wanted to do a little of an unboxing with you, and it's the started kit. No, started. What's this called? Started box for FabFitFun Box, which is a subscription. I believe it's $49.99 a month. No, not a month. It's $49.99 every 3 months. So I guess you get 4 boxes a year, 1 per season. So 1 in the summer, fall, winter, and then spring. So this would be, I guess, the one for, I'm not sure if it's spring or summer. Not sure. If you see that the camera is shaking, is because Valencia is right out there. Okay. So how I got this box is basically for free, but I only pay shipping, which was $5. But this is only a starter box, which means it's just kind of like they kind of let you taste what it's like to receive these boxes every 3 months. So the way that I got this box for only $5 was through a friend, which she subscribed to the service. But she told me that she could send me a link where if I wanted to try out the starter box, she just needed to send me her own, you know, specific link, which I would only pay $5, which is essentially just the shipping. So basically everything in this box is free. So let's see what's in here, which I haven't seen it. We've seen it together. First, I see a little manual, not manual, like a little magazine. I guess talks about editors and more products, I guess. So that's fun. A note from us and what's in the box. So this is what's in the box. I already see something that I'm excited about. I mean, a few things. So let's just, if you hear noise in the background, it's just, I have kids, you know, I guess. Welcome to my life. Okay, so you open it up and it comes wrapped in like a nice little paper, and you open it and you see all the little goodies inside. Mind you, I paid $5 for this. Sometimes I don't know how companies make money, but I do have to cancel my subscription. I guess if I don't cancel it, it's gonna be $50 charged to my debit card, and yeah, so I need to cancel if I don't want to continue, you know, by a certain date, which I forgot, so I need to check that. Let's see. First, I see this little necklace. Let me see. Hope my lights are not blinding you, but it's a little necklace. It's pretty cute. It's a rose gold necklace from a company called Adore. Yeah, it's Adore by Swarovski. Really nice. It says the bracelet features an irregular circle design, a rose gold plated chain, and a shining Swarovski crystal. This is valued at $39 if you were to buy it by itself. So, I mean, what else? We have some hydrating hand masks. So I guess you put your hands in here and it's supposed to hydrate. And I think I can use some hydration in my hands. Wait, so this is, it says here that it's from the company Nails Inc. And these gloves feature a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate your dry hands. $16. What else? Okay, so this is the product that I'm most excited about because I was in need of some moisturizer, and this is from the company Tarte, and it's the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. And this one says, leave your skin smooth and refresh with electrolyte package hydration. This cream is valued at $39 if you were to walk into Sephora or Ulta. $39. So this is what I've been wanting to try this one specifically. Awesome. Really nice. I don't want to put my hand in there right now, but I'm actually really excited about this. I think this is the one that I am most excited about. And I think the last product would be this spray bottle, which is a, let's see, where's my card? Oh, right here. So this spray, it says, is from the company Drive Bar, which is a very well-known company for the hair. If you just would see the mess she's making. Okay, so this says, this lightweight detangler uses biotin, sorry, my accent, vitamin B and C and sea berry oils to soften and condition and protect hair against heat. Up to 450 Fahrenheit. So I guess you put this on before you either curl your hair or you straighten it. And this is valued at $23. it says the total value of this box is $117. Yeah, that's pretty good if you ask me. So overall, I'm very satisfied with the $5 that I paid them. But yeah, I mean, I'm actually gonna be using a lot of the moisturizer, and I'm gonna be wearing that necklace. Watch my next video. But yeah, I mean, if you are interested, you could actually go to I'm never good at this. FabFitFun starter box, that's how it's called. So you go to the website and I guess you can sign up yourself. I'm not sure if you need a friend for that. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Sorry for all the noise and stuff, but I guess I gotta do what I gotta do. If you haven't, please subscribe, give it a like, leave me a comment, and you know, I'm new to this, so I'm trying. Oh, and sorry about my voice. I'm actually a little bit sick, I guess. I don't know, I don't feel sick, but it's just my voice got like this. I'm not sure why, but yeah. Okay. I'm not sure, nobody was asking, but anyway, yeah, that's why I sound like this. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. Anyway, go. Hello.